getting kind of bored. You want to head out for a second, get something to drink or something?
Hi.
How the fuck are you not burning? What the fuck?
Puppets don't burn whenever they leave the pizzeria.
Oh.
And I'm not from this pizzeria.
If you're not from this pizzeria, why are you here?
Dakota told me to come here.
Dakota?
I came here because something happened with him.
Who is Dakota? Looks like a pumpkin spice latte.
Yeah, my illusion disc. I'm changing my illusion disc later, and I'm gonna get an upgraded costume soon.
Okay, then, well, welcome, I guess, to Starlight's Pizzeria. You know, this is your problem. I feel like you are the night guard tonight, aren't you? Yeah, so like get some balls and maybe deal with that. I don't know. No, no. Oh shit! What the fuck?
That does not work on me. I can choose to be violent. I will choose to be violent if I have to.
Maybe don't do that. Maybe don't do that. Maybe it's the night guard's fault, and you should leave me the fuck alone.
Okay, since you don't know him by his first name, do y'all know his last name? It's one of the guards, I think.
Where did it go? I hear it. I hear it. But where did it go? Run. Run. I am good at fighting, but I don't know about that. Hello, you two. I think
there.
That's your That's your responsibility now.
Oh,
who's that?
Huh?
Who is that?
This is the temporary night guard for tonight.
Isn't this like the third night guard we've had now?
It's fine.
Also, is it just me or did the hallway get longer?
I think it got longer.
Why does it say we're the better people?
Because we are.
That's a good question, I guess. I mean, I'm over there, so I'm always the better person.
But are we going into are we expanding the place or something? Because
most likely, but quick thing. There's a puppet. I think that's still downstairs. That's not from here.
What?
I know,
how many more puppets are we getting?
We didn't have. That's not our puppet though. I don't think so. And usually, I'll keep to myself and other things. But I think we need to deal with that.
Where are they going?
I don't know. Listen, I don't need another night guard on my list.
What happened to my room? Why is it? Oh.
I don't remember that being there, but then again, I haven't been in there in a while.
I know this. Somebody power it on. I don't want to ruin it.
I think we lost the puppet. I think it's still downstairs. I don't think it knows how to use an elevator.
Do they have an elevator?
I don't know.
Oh, wait. Is it?
Oh.
Sylvian?
Hi.
Hey, where?
Seen you.
It has been a long time.
It's glass. It's glass. It's glass. It's glass.
There's nothing there though.
It looks like a dinosaur.
That's what I am.
Dinosaur.
Well,
can you do a roar? Can you still do a roar?
I'm a dragon. No.
Please do a roar.
One second. You guys have your go. I'm assuming you guys know each other. One second.
I have no idea who that guy is.
I'm just gonna go down here to the elevator. I should be able to hear him. I don't think there's somewhere down here, but I'm gonna. Okay, well, I think we left them down there somewhere. Um. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Uh. So before I bring you, where? Okay. So you can still hear me, but the others still. So where? Before I take you to the others, you gotta promise not to hurt them or anyone at this
They
pizzeria.
pulled a bow on me,
That's
and they shot me.
Did you get hurt?
No, I just still pulled the
Yeah.
sword though.
Yeah. Just if you can't get hurt, just promise not to hurt them. I don't really care about them that much, but if someone would be on me.
Literally everything
I
just
do.
faces through me. That didn't hurt me, but it still was offensive.
Yeah. Okay. I don't really care about them that much. It's just like someone I know will get on me about them getting hurt or something. So I'm gonna take you to them
I
because I think you have questions or whatever.
I'm right here.
Um,
Hello.
okay, I'm not used to puppets that much, so
I'm an older model, so it's understandable.
okay. Is that like what you usually do? You all?
No, this is the first time I've actually physically been able to use my abilities.
Oh, okay. Hi. 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 Hi.
Where did
So
hi?
hi. What is your name? I left before I got it.
I gave him a dangerous weapon.
Oh god.
Oh,
I have no regrets.
I wouldn't either, actually. What is your name? Name?
Look at that!
You?
Look at
You
that
have
wall.
one?
That's very interesting. That's a very interesting wall right
Interesting
here.
wall.
You are really special, aren't you?
My name's Sora.
Sora?
Yeah.
Okay. Um, what's an interesting name? You just go wherever you want to, huh?
Yes.
Why is he in the sky?
I don't know, puppet magic or whatever. I really can't tell you. If I knew, I have no idea. So what brings you to this area? Uh,
Sorry, I had to stare at this inconveniently placed wall.
okay. But yeah, what brings you here? Actually, come on,
y'all's
follow
best-
me. We'll talk over here. I think this is a good space to talk. I mean, I think the bowling alley's like repairing. We don't really want to hang out in the little area or the children area. It doesn't look that pleasing. I mean, this is the. I really don't want to hang out in my room. I've been in there way too much lately. Yes.
Can we check if there's like any other animatronics that came other than me?
That would be a good idea. Oh,
Is
and
there
they're
more
out.
people coming today? I didn't think so.
Why are you?
Oh, this room has been.
There's
How much? How did I not know?
Why are they damaged?
How do you not know?
I- This
Oh.
room keeps extending. I can't control it.
How did you not see this?
It's.
Turn
I mean, I'm all the way in here, so.
So wait, then whose stage is this?
Oh, that's
you'll
Slippy's.
meet them maybe.
that idiot frog.
Go.
Hello?
Away from me. Crazy people. Away from me. Oh.
Okay, that happened. That's concerning on how. Actually, that's understandable on why they called me crazy.
You look crazy.
I do. I should. That's why I'm getting my illusion swapped out.
You look like you are the definition of mentally unwell.
That's why I'm getting a new suit tomorrow. I've been
If they,
working on it for
I
a
swear to
while.
God, if they run to my room, I swear to God, there's gonna be a new broken animatronic.
I'm gonna. Hey, you want me to give you a dangerous weapon so you can make it worse?
Sylvian, wait, no, wait,
I have
Sylvian.
many dangerous
Sylvian,
weapons.
do you know
I have.
them? Because you kind of.
I have no regrets for giving anyone dangerous weapons.
You know what? I'll accept this one.
Yay!
Why are you scared?
Why are you staring at me?
I think they might know Sylvian.
Or is it someone else?
Sylvian,
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Why are both of y'all running from each other?
corner Sylvian in the tank area, so they have to talk.
Yeah, they kind of
I'll
cornered
play with
themselves here.
corner people. I usually do that a lot. Get information and all.
That you? I think I'm a power off for today.
No.
You are not powering off. I want to see what happens.
I mean, I wouldn't mind. It means less annoying people, but.
I want to see what happens. I'm very curious. Also, did you see another puppet? There's meant to be another puppet that came
Like,
here.
and a puppet that's not supposed to be here?
Yeah, another one. No, I think their new one. They should have worked. They should
Well,
have.
we haven't
I have no
had
clue
any
where they are.
new. We haven't had any new animatronics or puppets
Yeah, I
that
have no
weren't
clue
supposed
how
to be
they
here.
got ahead of me. I left the same time they did.
Okay then, why are you in the corner? Are you like scared of a lizard or something? Are you scared of yellow? What?
No, that is not a lizard. I'm a gecko. Get it right next time.
No, I think I'm good.
Been a
They have an
while,
axe. I'm letting you
right?
know that now.
Huh?
I gave you a dangerous weapon. I have.
I know. I appreciate that. Yeah.
Why are we
feel
just
like we're
staring
in.
at each other?
I feel like we're in the middle of a interesting.
Why are you hiding behind me?
You don't even know the man or the.
I don't give a shit.
I'm just gonna fly.
I will bite your.
Well,
you bite my feet. I'll drop your
how do
head
you
off.
know? How do you know Sylvian?
It's a long story.
Very, very long story.
Really, really defensive. I don't know about that one, Chief.
It doesn't matter if I got defensive or he got defensive.
Doesn't matter. Nothing matters. Just drop the subject now.
Okay.
We are sure that you don't matter, but yeah.
I'm just leaving.
Yeah. Anyway, is that all of them?
I don't know.
What do you
I'll
mean
check.
you don't know? Yeah, that's all of them? I think that's everyone. So let's head over to this room and let's finish your conversation that you needed to have, I guess, or a question. Do you have any questions, I guess? Or why are you?
I was meant to arrive here with my brother, but I guess I arrived too late, so I think I will probably just head back to my place for now. And just wait for him to get here.
Okay.
I have no clue. I don't remember the name of my place. I've been there for
Why
so
are
long, I
you
don't
guys
remember it.
supposed? I didn't know there was supposed. I mean, we barely have room for regular animatronic.
That's information I cannot give you right now until we're certain.
That's not very skibbity toilet.
Which one of you? Okay, never mind. I mean, I would like to know as one of the
You
main.
physically can't, or it will come after you next.
Is my
No, like mentioning it to other people will cause it to come after them, like physically.
I need y'all to go hang out in your room.
Okay.
Take the night guard with you.
Come on, I don't know your
Not
name.
you. Come
We're being bullied.
on. Get.
Cool.
So wait. Okay. So are any of them here in danger then?
I don't think the new ones are. I'm not certain, but don't be too safe.
Alright, well,
That last night guard was already attacked. That's why I was brought here.
okay, well, if you.
So since I'm basically not meant to be here and you weren't told about me, I might as well answer this part. I'm a soul.
Okay.
And because of how, well, me being in this form and being as old as I am, I can mend them. Like bend them to my will and whatnot.
You commend what?
I can bend souls.
You could
It's
bend.
hard, but we can do it. We can transfer souls to suits and whatnot, and then that's why I'm basically here, because of that.
Oh, well,
And that's also why I can do all the stuff I've been doing downstairs.
I don't really talk much with. I don't know. If you okay, so. Right.
I'm probably gonna come here again, though, if the last night guard comes back.
Just be careful with some of the. I'm usually not the nicest person here because of certain
I
things.
gave you a dangerous weapon. You better not use it on me, or I swear to God,
I'm
I will
not.
kill you
No,
limb from
I'm not
limb.
gonna use it on you. Listen. I'm supposed to be like the mean person here, but like hiring after this. It's just be careful around these parts. There's always something
What is this, a
happening.
Western movie?
Well, I don't think any of these animatronics like have like.
I don't think they're programmed yet. So I don't even know like programmed right. You might need to program them.
I'll take him to charcoal later, but none of these animatronics have really much of a leader of sorts. Like most most pizzerias do. They usually make their own groups.
Ours has a leader, but they've been in repair for a bit.
Oh yeah, well, I was supposed to be. Well, I was supposed to
I'm-
be, but I don't act like it, so I,
I can
don't.
see y'all
take-
watching us. Quit it.
Yeah, we see you. Scatter?
they don't
Are
know
y'all
what's
scattering? Y'all-
One of them went to your room, by the way.
I
Two of them did.
swear, I'm
3 of
okay.
them did.
Okay. Well, you know what? It's fine.
4 of
It's
them did. We'll deal with that later.
yeah, but if it's something that might harm
I hope
them, I
they
guess.
know that the flooring is giving them away.
Yeah.
I can hear
Yeah.
them.
And I could certainly see them, but just I guess if you need any information,
They should be fine.
Yeah, they should. I don't think they understand anything.
Yeah, they
Maybe
don't.
the shark. Maybe the shark and the.
Maybe the shark one. Or the
Maybe-
weird shark looking colored one. That they might.
Speak
That's
of the
why they're
devil.
spying on us through the
Yeah.
corner.
No.
Do you want to be in this conversation?
All
right. Honestly, I trust this one since they're more the leader here for most of them. Even though I don't like it, but it's the truth.
How
he's really the leader,
has
I guess.
how long has this one been here?
Oh,
Which
I am
one?
counting. I am 76 years old.
You've been keeping count?
You're older than me. That is shocking. Wait, I don't remember my own age.
Oh, I am?
I need
no,
to look
me-
into that.
Me neither. I just know how old I was when I died. I don't know how.
No, I know how old this model is. It's just recolored. I'm getting a new suit tomorrow.
Oh,
Some
nice!
point,
Congrats!
some
I'm
point.
supposed to get a new suit, but it's
I've
never
been
showed up
making
yet.
mine. I need to finish painting it, and then I can wear it tomorrow, or at some point.
Yeah. Well. Anyway, I wish you safe travels.
Yeah, I'm just gonna head back to my place and probably come by tomorrow.
Yeah. Well. Adios.
Bye.
Doodles.
We need to teach y'all some fucking manners. I swear.
I have manners.
I'm
It's
fine
just
without them,
you need manners.
and you don't.
I-
You use them too much. Stop.
Oops.
Go check your room. Go check your room.
What? Who said that? Had a blueberry?
I see a bird that I will turn into the next. Oh my
I
god.
love this fort below.
But you know what?
You made a send.
I could see that. You know I'm gonna turn you into roast chicken later.
Run away!
Did you just
I'm gonna
Did-
keep this safe for them.
Excuse me? I saw that.
I'm gonna keep this safe.
Wait, did they lay an egg?
Yeah, they did.
Baby safe.
Just in case these people can get reckless like you.
Shut
Hey,
up. Is that a blueberry?
please, alright. Listen, I know we don't really see eye to eye.
I'm so
But-
brutally honest.
but you know, do you got these guys?
Newsflash, you're a blueberry.
Are you able to handle these guys?
I can try.
Well,
Sora,
they gotta
Sora.
make a
Hey,
report.
stop. No. You two, you
Fine.
go into that corner and you go over there.
No, thank you.
Well, good luck with that. With your new crew-ish area. That area, but crew-ish people. Anyway, I gotta go talk to Charcoal about some things. Yeah.